Welcome to this demo of Carepatron. Carepatron is a HIPAA-compliant CRM. As you see here, this is the calendar view. You can set up different workspaces for people's locations. We also have an inbox and a way to communicate with clients within a CRM. You can add different tags like telehealth, referral, intake, couple, assessment, and more. You can also assign different team members to each client. Next is the billing section. So with our CRM, we do have Stripe enabled, but you can also send invoices where people can pay you directly. If you want to have everything in-house, they can pay you with a bank transfer or they can pay you in cash, and you can just mark it as paid so that within the CRM, you have the ability to track everything. Most importantly is insurance. So as far as claims, you can create a new claim for the client. You can also add existing claims, and this helps with insurance billing, as well as sending invoices with potential clients. You can add the services. We have embedded the codes for chiropractic, but if you are in a different modality that's not chiropractic, we can still add the codes in for you as well. As you see here, we sent an invoice to Bobby Doe, and these are the methods in which he can pay. Next is the templates. So there's a lot of different templates. One is the DX codes, especially if you're a chiropractor. So these are all 2025 DX codes. We also have templates for notes. And again, this is not just chiropractic. If you're a nutritionist and acupuncturist, we have notes and templates for so many different things. Neck disability, disability indexes. As you see here, we have over 7,500 resources, almost 8,000. So if we type in chiropractic, we have 5 current resources, but there's a bunch of other tools as well. Treatment plans, intake forms, and so much more. So now let me walk you through the setup when you first create your account. And one thing to note is that we can create an account for you on our platform or set it up for you. It's really up to you. So you can set a physical location and a virtual location. In this instance, the chiropractor chose to have everything within one workspace. I've had other practitioners operate with different workspaces, as you see there. So for Dr. Teresa Volner, for example, she has a Winners in Diabetes that's 100% virtual, so we can embed her Zoom, and as it scales, we'll transfer that over to her other business, Total Care Health Solutions. Another thing that you definitely want to do is set your services. Like I brought up earlier, we have the DX codes so you can set your services. You can also assign those services to different teams. You can have galleries for images for your services so that you can brand yourself. You can set up online payments. Again, Stripe is completely enabled. You can assign different team members, and this is how it would actually look. So if we go and copy the link, we can also embed it, and I'll show you that in a minute. But if you copy the link and you go to a separate page, you'll see that a complete portal is set up for you so that you can book with the practitioner, set a different time. You can set your time in Carepatron, add any message that you want to give, and that's how you do the booking. Now let me show you how to book within DecentMed itself. So within DecentMed, in your telehealth portal, we've embedded that same calendar, set the date, continue, request booking, add your name, your last name, your email, and any message that you want to give. And we also have the ability to call the practice directly.